Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Positioned as the world's smallest luxury fiberglass campervan, the 2026 Hymer Exsis is a clever answer to the burgeoning but limited market for small, luxurious mobile homes. The Exsis moniker implies a concentration on clever design, lightweight construction, and absolute elegance, all within an exceptionally efficient footprint. Even though Hymer is a well-known brand in the RV business, by demonstrating that a smaller size does not have to mean sacrificing comfort or high-end equipment, this car seeks to rethink what is feasible in the tiny campervan market. The Hymer Exsis 2020 SIXS exterior design would be a masterpiece of tasteful, understated utility. A significant innovation is the use of a seamless, single-piece fiberglass shell, which offers significantly greater insulation, durability, and structural integrity than conventional multi-panel construction. In addition to guaranteeing a smooth, unified appearance, its monolithic design greatly lowers possible leak spots and increases longevity. The overall shape would be purposeful and aerodynamic, with integrated lighting and crisp lines that produce a sleek and contemporary look. A key selling factor would be the campervan's small size, which would enable it to go through tight city streets, locate parking, and reach far-off areas that are inaccessible to larger RVs. The Hymer Exis's luxury element would be evident from the inside. The interior arrangement would be a triumph of clever design and efficient use of space. With multipurpose furniture and creative storage options, every cubic inch would be carefully used. Anticipate premium materials that are selected for their visual appeal and portability, such as solid surface worktops, soft touch textiles, and elegant wood veneers. To improve the sense of space, the color scheme would be light and airy. The primary living room would change from a comfortable lounge to an eating area and then to a peaceful sleeping area. The kitchenette would be surprisingly well equipped with a sink, a two-burner stove, and a small refrigerator that blend in perfectly with the cabinetry. All the facilities needed for a comfortable trip would be included in a small but incredibly useful wet bath with a shower and toilet. For comfort and convenience to be maximized, technology would be essential. Lighting, heat, and electricity usage may all be easily controlled using a control panel much to that seen in a smart home. Long-term off-grid living would be made possible by the power system's high-capacity lithium-ion battery and rooftop solar panel array. An effective heating and cooling system would give constant comfort, and advanced insulation, a direct outcome of the fiberglass construction, would guarantee a comfortable interior temperature in both hot and cold climes. A dependable and effective chassis, perhaps from a respectable van manufacturer like Mercedes-Benz or Ford, would support this opulent living area and guarantee a comfortable and joyful drive. Long-distance travel would be economical and environmentally beneficial due to its small size and sophisticated design, which would result in exceptional fuel efficiency. The 2026 Hymer Exsis would be more than simply a campervan. It would be a portable declaration of minimalist elegance, made for the contemporary explorer who appreciates effectiveness, quality, and the liberty to travel without being constrained by a bigger vehicle. It would support the notion that exquisite design and well-considered execution, rather than scale, are the actual markers of luxury.